everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to delete Facebook page permanently by your laptop or PC. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the profile icon, which is on the right corner of your screen. From there, choose your page. Then again hit on the profile picture of your page, which is on the top right corner of your screen. From there you will see a drop down. From there select security and privacy, and then again select settings. On the left, scroll down a little bit, you will see an option of access and control. Hit on that, and from there select delete page and hit on the continue, and again do continue. Now enter your password and you are good to go to delete Facebook page permanently on laptop or PC. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.